See, you gotta be careful. All right, we go somewhere. Let me walk to the front of the building though, and we're out of here. Here's the building we just came out of. Look at that Clover up there. Look at the brick. Not a brick missing, man. Look. Look at how nice that is. I'll have to look it up. There it is.
Sweet dairy plant, huh?
Did it? I seen dairy plant, didn't I?
2007.
Department of. It's still a mystery. Wait a minute. I got a. Hey, we got a plaque right here. Here's the front of it. We're looking through there, you can see all that just falling apart like they all are. We're out doing some scouting here and we came across this. So here it is. Cloverleaf Dairy Company. If you don't know, now you know. That's why there's a clover leaf on it. I figured that all by myself. Do you see that? I didn't even need nobody to help me figure out that it's Clover on the building because it's Cloverleaf Dairy. I figured it all out myself. Well, guys, that wasn't a big pop, but we're gonna move on to another one, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. Steel City Storm. We'll see you next round, alright? Me and the boys are heading on out. We'll do another adventure.
Saved another flag.
Your patriotic duty, man. The one person just walked down the street. Here comes another one walking down the street. Hood's starting to wake up. So,
We know what that means.
what?
Got 2 pounds.